My name is Ximena Casanova Chavez and I am doing Utopia. I am in Holly 7th period. Ethiopia is located at the Horn of Africa, approximately to the Middle Eastern and Europe. Together is an easy access to major ports. That's what makes it such a large, diverse region. But I focus on some of the native tribes. It has 80 native tribes or more. The ones I chose were the Cairo and the Mizora tribes to study the beauty standard. Beauty standards in these regions consist of tan or brown skin tones in women, big expressive eyes, scars that are earned through ceremonies, as well as maturity in women and men, lip stretching, glowing skin, and white hips for childbearing. In Ethiopia, elaborate sacrificial is often done at women's puberty, used to denote a willingness to be a mother. The markings show that she can stand the pain of childbirth as well as the indication of her emotional maturity. Women can also have scars later on in life when they have achieved a major goal such as childbirthing or when they have marriage. When the skin is wounded, the tissue breaks, which causes a protein called choline to be released. Choline builds up where the tissue is damaged, helping to heal and strengthen the wound. New collagen continues forming for several months, and blood supply increases, causing the scar to become rasped and lumpy. During the process of healing, women or other women around the tribes put clay into the wound so the wound can be highlighted and shown as a display of tolerance for pain and the willingness to give birth to a child. The custom of wearing a lip plate is linked to the female's fertility and eligibility for marriage. When a Missouri girl reaches puberty around age 15 to 16, she will have her lip cut by a female member of the tribe and a small wooden stick is inserted. Through the years, larger plates are inserted into the lip, causing it to stretch. The larger the clay plate, the more the woman is worth before she gets married. One theory is that the lip plating originates as a legitimate deformation to make women and young girls less attractive to slave traders. The orbicularis oris muscle, also known as the muscle orbicularis, is a complex multi-layered muscle which attaches through thin skin superficial muscular pouch system to the dermis of the upper lip and lower lip and serves as an attachment site for many other facial muscles and around the oral region. Stretching this muscle is done by removing the bottom teeth from a woman's or a girl's mouth. This allows for a disc to be placed between the cut of the lips to be stretched out. Wooden hips are seen as a sign of maturity and a sign that a woman is ready to bear children, as well as that she has a healthy body to achieve the willingness of birthing children. The widening of the hips can be done by exercising of the gluteus muscles as well as your quads and hamstrings. There are muscles surrounding your hips and can make your hips wider. As a person grows older, the hips muscles, especially in women, get bigger. In Utopia, some men also have the beauty standards of having scars. These scars shows the battles and also as well as the strengths that they have overcome between in their lifetime instead of marriage. Large foreheads, but not abnormal horses where they have to have surgeries or ceremonial, but they are looked favorably upon. A muscular upper body is also being dark-skinned and the stretching of the earlobes and smooth faces are some of the beauty standards in man in Utopia, especially throughout tribes. Darker skin is seen as more attractive, especially in males, since especially in the Mercurial tribe and Cairo tribe, they have paintings of them that highlight their achievements throughout their lifetimes, especially during war. Darker complexion is seen as more masculine and as a stronger strength. Evolution. Due to natural selection, people who live in areas of intense sunlight develop dark skin coloration to protect against ultraviolet lights, mainly to protect their bodies from photodepletion. Eventually, pigment of the skin was caused by ultraviolet radiations of sun. Ultraviolet radiation causes DNA changes in skin that can lead to premature aging and skin cancer. This form of solar radiation damages skin at a level from the surface layer, epidermis, down deep into the dermis. To protect the skin cells contain the pigment melanin. Melanin protects skin from the sun's UV ray lights. A muscular upper body is seen as attractive in Ethiopian tribes, especially the ones in upper regions. A muscular upper body has shown that a man has worked out throughout their lives and is strong enough to support a family as well as to protect their women and children. The biceps, triceps, and dentures are formed by the muscle tissue known as myogenes, the myoblasts of the projection cells of the muscle cells. During epigenetic development, the myogenes either divides mitochondria to rise to more metablasts or different into myocytes. After the workout, the body repairs these cells with muscle fibers that build muscle fibers that replace them with collagen that produces them even stronger.